We guide you through how to create Gmail account without using a phone number in simple steps. First thing you need to do is open a web browser in incognito or private mode. Then go to Gmail sign up page and click create account. Choose for myself, then enter your name, desired email address, and password. When you reach the phone number section, look for the skip option. This is often available depending on your region, device, or sign up method. If the phone field is optional, leave it blank and continue by adding a recovery email instead, which helps secure your account. Then, complete the date of birth and the gender fields, then agree to the Google terms and finish the setup. Once done, your Gmail account will be created without linking a phone number. Keep in mind that Google may still request a phone number later for security verification, but it's not always required during the initial sign up.